Hi everyone, a very warm welcome from Emerge India Foundation, Public Charitable Trust, inspired and blessed by our beloved Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It gives me immense pleasure to share with you the objectives and activities of Emerge India Foundation, which are to ignite the minds of 127 crores of people of this nation, and also to see India as the greatest economy and a superpower by 2020. And a small recapture. No doubt don't get connected, it is perfectly fine. But sooner or later, one day, very soon, we are going to accomplish the Vision 2020. At that point of time, you should not repent that you are not a part of this system of Emerge India Foundation to get connected with the 127 crores of mind. And you should not feel that you are left alone. You should not feel bad that you have not contributed anything. And that is why now telling it is the right time. You get connected, you come into the system, get connected, and tomorrow when you accomplish the goal, and you will feel proud that I have contributed to this nation. I am a part of it, and it is also because of me we have accomplished igniting the minds of 127 crores of people, and we have accomplished the fulfillment of the Vision 2020. And I am also a reason for seeing India as the world's greatest economy and a superpower. And I am also behind this. I have also contributed. I also worked for it. And you will be getting a chance to feel proud about it. And this is a duty as a citizen of this nation, if you feel. And here, what that is required is that we are going to look into the reverse chronology. That is, see the interest of the nation first, and see the interest of your family second, and see the interest of your own self in the least priority, in the third priority. That is, the esteem and the value of the nation is the first, and the esteem and the value of the family esteem are your home. This is the second, and your own self-esteem comes third priority. And this is the chronology which we will have to take it knowing when we see. You have to, you cannot separate yourself from the community, and this is what we wanted to make it clear, that you have to be the part of the system, and you come and join to the system, and what is the benefit you are getting into by the way of system. See, that small recapture is because your own, the well which is more and more secreted, and also you will not feel left alone. You are a part of igniting minds. You are allowing the abundance to work for the people of this nation. And now, what happens next? The ideas, you have given the input of 10 ideas, for example. And the system, what happens? That somewhere, now you are coming out, no, I am not, whatever I do, the ideas are not happening to me, and I am not getting the emerging of ideas. Absolutely, I am nil, I am zero, I am blank. The thing is perfectly fine. That is the basic, the level 1 first platform that we want to, the system is designed. And the people who have got zero ideas, they enter into the system with zero as the record inventory. See, this is, the ideas are your assets. For us, we treat it as. We account it is in your web space. Your ideas are your intangible assets, like your bank account, which are tangible assets. These ideas are intangible today, and one day it is going to be a tangible, very big, huge asset for you. And the ideas you have put forward. And these ideas, and the zero ideas, person what to do, yes, and you have your ideas bank, your ideas pocket notebook, and you have in your mobile phone, the app is available. You are available in the internet community, internet community for the pillar. And we said there are 3 pillars, wherein you are free. You are free to operate in any one of the pillar or all the 3 pillars. That is okay. But I am sure that the first and second pillar it is okay. When you are in the computer internet, you will use the internet platform. When you are on the mobile or movement and you are not having the computer, you will use the mobile app platform simultaneously, because both are interconnected. And the representative, the physical means, by working like a hard copy, the people who are in the internet and mobile app will not go to that community, but they will be connected in the system, but you will not repeat the work. You will do in any one of the system, you will always be present. And the third level people who are illiterate, who are less tech savvy, for them, there are representatives who will work on behalf of them, either through mobile phone or through the internet. This one, there will be representatives. And they'll also work 1:1 direct through the Center for Excellences, which will be working for everyone. The Center for Excellence is working for everyone, and in the system, always the center subject matter specialist, mentors, guide, tutors, teachers, trainers, and also volunteers will be present in the system all the times. And you start entering, for example, you are a zero idea person, you start just entering your activities, your things to do, your wish list. You want to do something, and in your routine activity, those wish list, you start entering it, just to spark to ignite that pattern in the brain, and you start entering it. When you start entering your activities, when you start entering your things to do, your wish list or your action plan and so on, and slowly suddenly somewhere the ideas started sparking out. It is not that your ideas were not sparking, that you had no awareness. Now with all this, now you start getting that awareness. With awareness, you consciously monitor the ideas, capture the ideas. Now along with these activities, the ideas started coming, so you become a part of the system, and the ideas you are entering. These ideas, these 10 ideas, for example, you have entered, for example, and this system, there are hundreds of fields are there, hundreds of domain are there in the system, that irrespective of nanotechnology, engineering, or medical, chemical, electronics, communication, and so on, and like robotics, and so many domains are there, wherein the 110 ideas which you have entered, the system, what it does automatically, it correlates, it takes the reference, it go and see for make an attempt with several hundred domains by an automatic process. That is the software system from our side, and also it throws you that 100 ideas, possibilities, by taking into account of various domains of your basic ideas. And one point of time you will be astonished, oh God, my 10 ideas have got the opportunities and possibilities in hundreds of fields, and you will be very much happy, delighted and surprised, and you will gain momentum, you will gain the self-confidence, you will get self-motivated, and you will be more and more doing it. And as I already said, you may be an entrepreneur, you may be a businessman, you may be a person who is already in the office, you are an employed, or you may be a student. It is for everyone. You have to parallelly work into your ideas, irrespective of whatever demand. See, we don't want you to take tremendous of struggle or feel it like a pain to work in this. Do it naturally. Let the things happen naturally. Whenever you find time, as per your convenience, as per your choice, as per the amount of your possible time, and you may spend about few minutes or few hours or few seconds, it doesn't matter, but you keep continuously in the system. You start, because we want the momentum to happen, we want the mind's connection to happen, we want the innovation to happen, and it should happen naturally. So this is what the first step, the ideas. Now the ideas started coming, and what do we do with them, these ideas? And before, what do we do with these ideas? The first achievement, what has happened? Emergence of innovative ideas has happened. The new pattern is established well, and emergence of innovative ideas stage we have crossed. Started emerging innovative ideas. And why I am saying repeated innovation, ideas and so on, you will not feel bad if I quote one thing. That you take, there is a global innovative index. I do not know whether you are aware of it or not. I will just tell me, for example, share with me that if you are innovation, we are 127 crores of people, the second largest population, democratic country, largest democratic country, and you take where, how much of innovations are happening? Innovations are happening. What's our contribution in the innovations? If you rank on that basis, I'll take your ranking. You are saying it. You will say USA in the first place, and maybe UK in the next place, and German and Japan, and also France and China, and you take Korea, and you take Italy, Spain, Greece, and you take the countries with whom you feel they are at a better place in terms of innovation, by Canada, and also you take Australia, and you take whatnot, you take the countries that whatever I have missed. So you will be able to take about 15 countries that whom you think that they are ahead of us in innovation. Yeah. So now can you say that our place is 16th? Is it okay that in the global innovation index? No, because we will not be definitely in the 15th, but we will be definitely in 16th. So what do you say? Yeah, you are saying that it is 16th or 17th or 18th. Okay, let me take 20th. But what is the fact is, what the reality is? We are in the 65th stage. You are the least. You are in the you are in the 65th rank of global innovation index last year. Okay, forget the past. Come now. We take, because now is very important, because we are now, because all our program is taking the account of now. The now is very significant, and now we have to work on now. Work now, do it now, and now is the mantra. And so now I think this year where we stand, what do you say? What is your guess? You guess what? Maybe from 66, maybe you may say we would have gone to 40th place or maybe the 50th place. No, we are 76th rank. We have come down 10 ranks, much below. What's happening? We are 127 crores of. That is why our beloved Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam felt so much, and with his heart is for us. His heart is paining for the people of this. He's not able to accept, and out of thing he comes out. Why it says, why is the nation of 127 crores of people are behaving like the population of few lakhs? Why shouldn't we be in the top 5 places or top 10 places of global innovation index? And that is why we are telling you innovation, idea, and there is a reason for it. We are working on the scientific background. Why? Because Dr. APJ has asked why is that, and we worked out, we researched, we analyzed, and we have found this is the reason. And if you do all these things, these ideas, this development, emergence, all these things, we will go back to the global innovation index, the first place during the days to come by 2020. These are all the indicators of Vision 2020. So that is why we said, innovation is for everybody, and irrespective of what you are doing, irrespective of you are wealthy or rich or poor, or irrespective of discrimination, irrespective of anybody or any barriers or anything that separates, ideas are birthright, and innovation is our birthright. Come what may, we are going to ignite the 127 crores of minds simultaneously. Right now we are going to do it. And by taking into with the help of all your fellow NGOs and all the corporates and all the common man taking part with the system of Emerge India Foundation. And now that we are thorough, clear with the first part. And what do I do with these ideas, 100 ideas? This is fine. See, I'm busy, I'm working, I don't find a need. Yes, for having said and done, I came into the system, see, ideas are there. Use it, because we are not restricted. The idea should be only to the innovation, or maybe it may be only for improvement. Ideas should be only for new inventions or a product or a process. No, ideas can be for anything. Your routine work, your day-to-day life, your family work, or an event, or your social event, or anything that maybe you have entered the ideas and that have been worked out in the system. It has thrown 100 ideas. You start applying it, start using it, start enjoying the benefit of the ideas, start enjoying the benefit of your own wisdom. And for any area you apply for your life and make use of it. And the rest of the ideas, parallelly, which are qualified for taking to next level, like a product or a process or a service or an improvement, you start working in the system, you start working. And over and above, if so much of ideas are there, you put it, we have a common forum, we have a platform where people can donate their ideas with their name. This is my idea, anybody who wants, you make use of it, and with your saying thanks to your name, donate there. This is your contribution to the accomplishment of Vision 2020. This is your participation, this is your contribution to ignite the minds of 127 crores. This is your participation, contribution to form a network of the people, to take that you are considerate about the 127 crores of people. And this is what the first step of igniting the minds. We are completing the first phase